Well, we're at PetSmart with all three of them, and Ashley, and Santa's here. So Ashley wants Santa pictures, and they're very excited.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. Hello.
Do you want to do it first or last?
I guess we could just try it now.
All right, go. This is going to be interesting.
This is gonna be...
Come here, guys. Birdie. Molly. Pim Pim. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey. Look. Look. Look over here.
Brian.
There's a squeaky toy.
Hey. Birdie. Pim Pim. Sing. Sing. Pim Pim. Sing.
Is that one any better?
Oh yeah, that one's great.
That does better.
Thank you.
So we need to get steps for the dogs. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. The problem with little dogs, when they jump up and down off the couch, that constant thing will mess their hips and they can fracture their back or break their back, and they can have a lot of issues from it. Pim Pim seems to have his testicle down in his stomach, which is causing him some issues. So we need to kind of, do something about that.
Surgery.
But I think we should do the plastic one. What do you think?
Works for me.
So yeah, we'll give that one a shot. Molly fell out of the cart and smacked her head against the ground, and it knocked herself out. And she started to posture really bad. And Ashley grabbed her and gave her to me. And I looked her over real well. I'm sure you guys don't know, I worked in kennels for about 10 years. I went through like a community college.
Molly,
I was taking
it's okay.
automotive and welding. And I did part of my probation thing I had to go through. I just went to the animal shelter and did my hours there. Did one day of like cleaning up a park and taking out trash, and then cut my finger all the way down to the bone with a knife that I wasn't holding. Someone else did it. And then after that, they wouldn't let me go back to do any of that stuff. So the animal shelter is one of them. And I did 5 years as a volunteer, and then 5 years paid. So I've seen hurt dogs a lot in my life, and I've asked vets questions all the time, and I've kind of, tried to pay as much attention to that sort of stuff as I can. So I know a little bit, and I know what to look for. I don't know how to treat anything. And she sure doesn't seem like she has any of the symptoms at all of a traumatic brain injury. The area she hit her head, it doesn't even hurt. Her neck's not stiff. Her personality came right back. Her eyes are no longer dilated like they were right at first.
I know that you're tired. I know.
She made a weird kind of grunting thing when she was coming back after being knocked out. But I've learned that's actually normal, especially when you wake up a dog from anesthesia. They have that kind of really weird thing. She wants going back really bad because she's really tired. And it's not great to let a dog that's had a concussion fall asleep. These guys sleep so much of the day, there's no way we could keep her awake for the next little bit. But I think she's gonna get held for the next couple of hours to see if anything happens. Well, Molly doesn't seem too worse for the wear. Oh, Molly, yes. I think she's gonna be just okay. Brody and Pim Pim want attention too. Oh, Pim Pim. Got their steps for the couch. Got their steps for the couch as well. But even though she took a really nasty knock to the head and knocked her unconscious, we called the vet. The vet asked a bunch of questions. She doesn't have a single other symptom. Her pupils are all equal and reactive. No vomiting. No disorientation. No lethargic. She's She got a very happy waggling tail. Huh, Molly? Molly, good girl. Yeah. Molly, good girl. She seems to be just okay. She wants her mother. But I really don't think we're going to have too much to worry about her. Just, we're going to be a whole hell of a lot careful with her in the cart. And making sure she doesn't jump out again. And I feel bad because she's our puppy and we should have taken better care of her, and fortunately something bad happened, and I don't think we're gonna have to be too worried about her here in the next 24 hours. She sure seems fine. But Jesus, it's scary as hell. I was worried too. She also doesn't like me, so she doesn't come up to me. Come here, Molly. Yeah, come here. Come here. She just wants to run from me. She only likes her mother, which is fine with me. She's very close to her mother. Huh, Molly? Molly, good girl. Is Molly a good girl? Yes. Molly's a good girl. Huh? Molly, good girl. Yes. Molly gonna be okay? Yes, Molly. I'm sorry that happened. That was really scary. But I'm happy you're okay. That little licking thing, it's a sucking reflex. That means they like it. Or they're extremely nervous, but Molly likes the top of her butt scratched. See? Huh, Molly? Molly, good girl. Yeah. She was running around chasing her ball earlier. We got her a ball. It's about the same size as her. She doesn't play with it at all. She'll nose it around a little bit and just let it go. All in all, I think she'll be okay. Got some Santa pictures of them. Got a new step so they don't jump up on and off the couch, so they're going to take a little bit getting used to. And Molly seems to be very happy and healthy, albeit she's a little nervous of the dishwasher. She doesn't like the noise, and her mom's in the bathroom, so she's a little bit nervous around me still. But all in all, very lucky. So we're going to call this a night. See you guys tomorrow.